update time with special guest Anthony, or A Gonzo as everyone knows him. So things gone through a lot of changes. Ignore all that. I probably should put this at the end. It doesn't matter. So we basically went over all the suspension. The rear is just real simple. All the, you know, tow arm, camber arm, traction arms. You can't really tell. Also with that atrocious wheel on there, but the wheel is pushed back about an inch, so that lengthens the wheelbase a little bit, which these cars have about 100.5 inches or so, and the 350Z has 105 or 104. And cars around that wheelbase usually feel a little bit better, so I'm trying to get this one to be a little longer. So we still got debug to do, but next thing will be move this wheel forward just a little bit. We're working on that still. So it also has a custom angle kit. We worked with our friend Josiah at FDF. This is the first of its kind. We're gonna see if it does well. It might not, I don't know. We're just gonna see. I have like 7 degrees of camber right now and 5 degrees of caster. So it's gonna handle pretty weird probably, but yeah, probably just gonna fast forward till tomorrow. Dirty ass screen. Oh, okay. Oh yay. We got the donut. I wonder if this thing will make it around first try. We'll see. A little bit. Traction control. Hopefully it doesn't like fall on its face, because it might. Wow, look at this. Oh wow, it's like big.
Yeah, that's a wide sweep. Oh shit. That's bigger than the last event.
Yeah, it is. I guess I could try here. Dude, the fucking exhaust. Oh my god.
I don't know, it sounds like your tires more than anything.
Yeah. Not too bad.
Not too bad, boy.
Not too bad. All right.
Your exhaust isn't rubbing. It's your tires.
Oh, it's fucking rubbing. It's hitting the ground.
No, it feels like your tires.
Oh god. So that was the first or third lap. I didn't record it, but Adape did.
Yeah, I got it. I got all of it.
We did it with the AC on because fuck it, that's why. That was pretty good.
That was good.
The car does not handle that bad. Woo! Where do I park at?
Right there.
Okay.
Nice. Let's see what Charles said.
What's your? You like the car?
Money. Thing's eating.
I thought it was gonna suck.
It's good.
All right, now it's time for lunch.
Hotel, the weed is all free. Get high, me so high, we don't see the whole suite. The flight to a level where you gon' need your own key. TGOD, driving, no sleeping, live it up like it's the weekend. When the DJ play the right song, don't drink, don't party all night long. Driving, no sleeping, live it up like it's the weekend. When the DJ play the right song, don't drink, don't party all night long. Leaving from the club, now she wanna stay with us. Can't be spending it all, don't care what I'm paying for. Used to be too young.
That wasn't bad. That was really aggressive. That was great. Alright, I like it now. That was sick as fuck.
Niggas in the game, but they ain't playing with us. They just paying enough. Man, the niggas ain't ballin', they just laying it up. Saying they dogs, I'm just rolling hella weed up while on my way to the club. I had to wait at the club, but now I don't, cause everything is on me. The drinks is on me. The bitches, the hotel, the weed is all free.
Good. Well, so far 370Z is doing like way better than we would have thought it would have been. See most of it, right? Is it cool? She hot. What was it? Yeah, so I lied. We had to go drifting one more time, but on new tires.
New tires.
New tires. That's what those last like 4 laps were. Okay, now I'm done, I think. Maybe, I don't know, we'll see. Okay, but skipping over tomorrow and going back to yesterday, this is something that we are thinking about doing. I bought like the stupidest turbo I could possibly get, and god dang does it not fit. Like, there's no way. Blows my mind. I also took some OEM manifolds and I cut the things off right here and kind of tigged it together, and then plan is to put a reducer on there to go from 2.5 inch down to 2 inch, and then just somehow get it up here. And once I have a manifold, the rest should be pretty easy. Maybe not. I don't know. I bought some 1300 IDs too. I'm kind of just like free balling this one. Oh yeah, shop update, because I don't film anything, but we have a shop now, and it's got AC. It makes everyone happy, especially him.
Well, at least it doesn't have AC right now.
Well, yeah, we have the door open, but it's like nighttime, so it's not super hot, whatever, doesn't matter. But hopefully I can find time to document this whole turbo thing a little bit more, because this thing should be capable to make about 1,000 at the flywheel. Not saying we're gonna do that, but I am gonna push that stock motor as far as it'll go. It's probably gonna start eating coolant. Ah, whatever. You can get it for $400 at the junkyard, right? So yeah, I don't know. We'll see how it goes, but yeah, I'm a terrible filmer. Like, holy crap, I am bad. I don't know how people do this and they make millions a year, but whatever.
Yeah.